Hello everyone, this is Romal, Realtor with the Plowman team. I'm super excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 8430 Morning Glory Road in Georgina. Can't wait for you to check it out. You're going to love the open concept main floor. The combination of living room and dining room with eat-in kitchen and lots of natural light. Can't wait for you to check it out. I'll see you in the primary bedroom. This beautiful bungalow has 3 spacious bedroom and 1.5 washroom. Check it out and I'll see you in the basement. Welcome to the basement. This massive rec room is entertainer's delight. This basement also has its own separate apartment with its own kitchen and separate entrance. I want to make sure that you hear this here first. Homes listed by the Plowman team Realty sells 8% more than the board average. Think about the 8%. Other awesome features of the property: your own private pond, in-ground swimming pool, fire pit, and a 20 by 20 shed all season. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If this house has caught your attention, call the number on the screen to book your own exclusive private showing. Also hit the subscribe button to know all about our future homes for sale.